My name is Rifat Fatma. I am Flemington Community Support Services and Ward number 16. Thanks for giving me a chance to speak here. Flemington Park and Thorncliffe Park communities have similar demographics and are only separated by a bridge. The communities comprise of more than 2/3 of the population from visible minorities. Vast majority living in the high-rise building. The high rates of unemployment, low income, population density is a most double of as compared with the overall number of the city of Toronto. All domestic violence, these are so much issue: the domestic violence, drug addiction, food security, and gun violence. In the area covered by 55 division of place, there are 4 neighborhoods, including O'Connor, Black Dunes, Rivertown, and Flemington Park. There are 26 shootings in 2018, 41 in 2019, 33 in 2020. I am sorry to say that most of these shootings were done in Flemington Park. I have no figures about the Thorncliffe area, but certainly they would not be any better. This makes the Flemington Park area and Thorncliffe communities one of the most dangerous places to live in Toronto. In fact, people in these areas live in constant fear and always worried about the safety of their youth due to the gang violence and drug-related crimes. I would insist that there is a high need to address these issues by formulation of a comprehensive plan and well thought out strategy to rid of this threat on top priority, and also accumulate sufficient resources for this purpose, including funding. Some words about the Ward 16, Flemington Park. There is no recreation center for the community, especially for the youth, to improve their health and keep them busy in positive activities. More grant and support for small root groups in the community to help build the skills like catering business, sewing business, homemade childcare business, and to name a few. The city can provide small loans to help provide training to residents to learn to provide services like cleaning, catering, childcare, sewing, etc. Focus on the promoting home-based businesses, provide training and education on how to use skills like sewing, painting, cooking, etc. to make money from home. Come up with more creative ideas to engage the residents and explore their creativity and channels it towards income generation. More jobs can be created by investing in residents in building their existing skills and interest. Make park and city run recreation facilities for everyone, and hygiene of the public spaces and TCH buildings and apartment is a top priority. And some increase in the property tax is okay in order to have a larger budget resources for allocation to neglected areas. Thank you so much.